Good morning everybody. It is windy, it is rainy, we have a lot going on today. Greg Buckley here from Buckley's Auto Care, and I just want to wish everybody a happy Monday. Hopefully you had a nice safe Easter and you got to see a lot of friends and family virtually. That's what we were doing. So we had a nice virtual meeting. Sean Doherty was on the call as well. It was pretty cool, a little different, but nonetheless we got to see family members all over. Hey, but today is another day, another week ahead. Hopefully you're taking your health seriously, just getting out, maybe going for a walk when the weather's nicer. But today I want to talk about something specific. Actually, if you're from the Newark, Delaware area, you may have recognized or got an email that, hey, good morning, Rod, how are you? That the local CarMax center in Newark, Delaware has temporarily closed. So they're closed for sales and service. But I want to remind you that if you have this emblem on your car, we can help you. We can service all your vehicle needs, all of your warranties. We handle everything from the paperwork to the claim to the rental car. And we'll follow through with all the paperwork for you so you don't have to do nothing. All right, so just like now, this is my personal F-150 that I purchased from CarMax. This is my son-in-law's Jeep that we purchased from CarMax. And this is my intern tech's car, Subaru, that he purchased from CarMax. So we refer a lot of people to CarMax. It's a very simple situation. And we want to let you know that we're capable of handling all the warranty needs. You can call us directly at 302-999-8285. That's 302-999-8285. The reason why I'm saying this is because the CarMax facility in Newark is a large operation, and it's a shame that they've closed down. But because of the rules and regulations going on with COVID-19, they have ceased operations until they are allowed to open back up again. So us being involved with warranties, we know them independently and worked with them before, so we're able to handle it. And if you're not from this area, you can go to any other qualified independent service facility to have the same repairs and services performed by your local experts. So what you want to do is, if you have an issue, reach out to your local independent facility, repair shop, and have the repairs done. You purchased a car, just like I did. All these cars were purchased from CarMax. So here's the thing. You purchased a vehicle from CarMax. You purchased an independent warranty that CarMax sold you. That gives you all the rights in the world to go wherever you want to. So seek out, you can seek us out here in Delaware, right here at Buckley's, that's fine. Or you can seek out an independent in your particular area. But make sure the CarMax thing is closed. Anyway, again, if that emblem is on your car, see us at Buckley's Auto Care for all your warranty needs, repairs, service, and maintenance. We'll make sure we get you out in a timely manner. And guess what? Once we finish the repairs, using Napa Auto Parts, we can extend the warranty for 3 years, 36,000 miles. That's a big boost, all right? So this is just a little quick reminder that independent operators who are privileged to be open, which we really are right now, and Bill, Chris, everybody, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hey, we're here for service. We're here to help. It's a rainy day. It's going to get a lot more rainy, high winds. I want you to take care of yourself, do everything. Hey, Becky, good morning. Everybody seems to be coming on here early in the morning now. It's all good. It's all good. So we're open. We're glad to be open. We're privileged. We have some work coming in.